Yes, well, it's been mild for all of us today, but an absolutely stunning start to the morning. Just enough high cloud out there to make a beautiful red sky first thing. You can see a little bit of mist and fog in the distance as well, but it was chilly. Temperatures dropped below freezing, but most of us today have got to see some good spells of sunshine with some blue sky around. As we head through tonight, however, it is turning quite chilly under clear skies. So by tomorrow morning, widely, temperatures dropping right back to around 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. And that means away from the towns and cities where these numbers are, it's going to be even chillier than this. So a frost for many of us first thing, but the sun's up that little bit earlier now, so temperatures will really quickly start to pick up. So another dry day to come on Thursday, plenty of sunshine around. It is a little breezy, however, and then into the afternoon, a little bit of high cloud starts to drift in from the west, and that's tied up with a weather front. But staying dry through tomorrow, maximum temperatures of around 15 degrees Celsius. It could actually be the mildest or warmest day of the week. So let's just take a look at the times of high water. So we head through Thursday, a Cromer 5 to 11 in the morning, and then again at 20 past 11 tomorrow evening. So Thursday into Friday, all eyes to the west, an approaching weather front, and that's going to introduce some outbreaks of rain, but ahead of it, a cluster of showers just spilling in on that southwesterly breeze. So let's just take a look at the detail of how that's going to look for Friday. So some showers around, particularly through the morning and into the afternoon. They become a little less frequent, but all the while, there certainly is a little bit more in the way of cloud around. However, the further east you are, the more likely you are to get away with a dry day. And although temperatures are still above average, they are just dropping back ever so slightly, maximum temperatures of around 14 degrees Celsius. Then on Saturday and on Sunday, overall, there's a lot of dry weather in the forecast over the weekend, but we couldn't rule out 1 or 2 showers and a southeasterly breeze, but it is staying mild, but it's turning a little chilly again into next week. Yes, well, it has been a lovely day, lots of sunshine around, temperatures widely in the mid-teens, but this is how it started off. First thing this morning, if you were up early enough, a stunning start, just enough high cloud around to make for a beautiful red sunrise. And then through today, blue skies and some dry weather around. Let's just take a look as we head through the rest of this evening and overnight. Clearing skies and temperatures are going to take quite a tumble as we head overnight. By tomorrow morning, widely temperatures dropping back to around 2 or 3 degrees Celsius. Now this is in the towns and cities, so away from here it will drop below freezing in a few spots, but certainly cold enough for a touch of frost for many of us. However, the sunshine is up that little bit earlier first thing, so temperatures will already have started to pick up by about 8 a.m. As we head through tomorrow then, lots of sunshine around, but it is going to be breezy, and out to the west you can see a little bit of clouds starting to filter in, and that's ahead of a weather front that's sitting out to the west. But another mild day to come. It could potentially actually be the warmest or mildest day of the week. Temperatures around 15 degrees Celsius, easily in 1 or 2 spots around 16 degrees, maybe even a little bit more than this. Let's just take a look from Thursday into Friday. The dry weather hanging on through most of Thursday evening, but you can see out to the west there's a cold front spreading in. Outbreaks of rain on this, but ahead of this, the cluster of showers just feeding in that southwesterly breeze. So let's just take a look and see how the weather looks on Friday. It's back to some showery outbreaks of rain. There will always be some bright and sunny spells breaking through, and certainly into the afternoon, the showers become much less frequent. And temperatures are going to remain above average, just not quite as mild as it is at the moment, but highs of around 13 or 14 degrees Celsius. So from Friday into Saturday, those showers will continue to fade. And over the weekend, there is a good deal of dry weather around, but we certainly couldn't rule out 1 or 2 isolated showers. And then it is turning a little bit chilly as we head into next week.